Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove users from Amazon account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google Amazon, and you simply need to log in into your Amazon account. So once you've done that, you simply need to click here and click on account, and then you need to click on login and security. And here you can see password. You simply need the first step, you click on edit and you simply need to change your password. So this is the first method you can do that, and the other method is to you simply need to click on compromised account, click on start, and then you need to click on sign out everything. So once you've done that, you can easily remove users from Amazon account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.